I don't want to step on anybody. Hey! Hey! Come here, come. Look at this one's automatically falling. What's up, Jay? Look at this guy. Hey, look at you. You want to play with the ball? Go get it. Oh my gosh, that was incredible. Did you just see that? How's it going? Look at this one just like totally hanging out. Are you posing? Are you posing up a storm? It's okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. Does that feel good? It's okay. Do you like just to hang out? Yeah? Oh. Oh, it's mine. Where'd they go? There you are. You like the tennis ball, don't you? Go get it! Oh my gosh, that's incredible. You're amazing. Look at you. Oh, you want to play? Here, let me have it. Here, ready? Go get it. Oh my gosh, what? You're incredible, dog. Look at you, though. You have a tennis ball. Boy. You just want to relax. It's okay. You want your belly scratched? Alright, the ball. Hide the ball. Hide the ball. I know, you want to play with the ball too. Here, ready? There you go. Ready? Get it! Get it! Get it! Get it! Do you want to play with something too? What do you like to play with? The ball? The ball again? Get it! Oh my god, so sad. You can come in too, come on. Want to play the ball? Oh, that's mine. Get it! What? What are you doing over there? Here, come here. It's okay. It's okay. Are you smiling at me? Did I not wear the right cologne? Oh, I see the ball though. You want it? Come here. Come here. Yeah, come here. I'll put you guys. You guys can relax. There we go. You look so pretty with your purple extensions in. And your blue extensions. Yeah, doesn't it? There we go. Behind the ears. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. You're gonna be like this. You wanna come too? Come on. Come here. Come here. No? That's okay. You wanna go to Auradon? That's alright. I don't blame you. It's a very nice place. You gotta get it. Oh. Where'd you go with your tennis ball skills? I can't pick you. Yeah. Incredible. Oh. Go get it! Ah! Oh, it's a battle. Where'd your ball go? Ready? Go get it, go get it. There it is. Look at you guys. You guys are incredible. Oh, wait. Wait. Come here. Your hair. Your beautiful hair. It's okay. You don't need it. Who wants to play with this guy? His little hands. Or, I don't know what that is. Oh, do you like this one? Is this one yours? No, that's not yours. Oh. Get it! Or like a tank. Hey, do you like this one? No, we don't like that one. I like this. You look good. This is cool. Got a snake on your back. You look strong. Yeah? Yeah. Oh. Just lay down. Go get it! Ah! Oh, yeah. You're in my spot. I'm gonna have to come sit with you. If you don't mind. Oh. There we go. Come here. Come over here. There we go. You can come up here if you want. Want to talk to? There you go. You can sit down. What are you doing behind me? I see you. I see you. You want to come up here? Come on. No? You want to be over there? Okay. I'll pet you from over here. Oh, do you want to be pet on your belly? Yeah, you do. Oh, yeah. You like the belly scratches, don't you? What about the legs? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. What are you doing over there, crazy guy? Oh, you're in my spot again. Get it. Oh! It's actually incredible. You're amazing. What's this? Who wants french fries? Oh, that's what it is. French fries. Look at that. I had french fries for lunch. You can both have french fries for lunch. There you go. You don't want french fries? Yeah, you do? Yeah, you do. Yeah. Oh, did you put that there for me? Oh. Get it. Oh. Get it. There you go. What's wrong? What's wrong? Was he stealing your french fries? Were these yours? And I gave them to him? I'm sorry. And you're just like, these fools. I'm just gonna stand here and get that. I think he's itchy. What do you want? Is your jacket coming off? Is that, let me see. What are you doing? What are you doing? You good? You really, we both can have french fries. I want french fries. I want french fries. They're not yours. They're mine. They're not yours. Okay, you win. You're stronger than me. For sure. Oh, yeah. Belly rub. Belly rub. Nice. You're crazy, dude. Yeah. 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 You want corn, too? I didn't have corn for lunch. You can have some. Get it! There we go. Okay. Alrighty, team. You all are awesome, and you look great in your outfits. Oh, I might have to do that again. He's coming out. He's got a leg in the arm. Oh, it's okay. My jacket was very hot and heavy too, so I understand. Alrighty, guys. Do we want him back in the shot, or is it okay? Alrighty. Okay, team. You guys have been awesome. I love hanging out with you. We'll have to do it again, okay? You all look great in your outfits. You want corn? Okay. See you, dude. See you, guys. See you.
Wicked ways beneath the skin, and all who taste it now join in.